Hey guys, John V here with PhoneArena, and this is a quick hands-on look at the BLU Vivo XL3. So this phone has been on sale over at Amazon for the last month now at the attractive sub $200 price point, but it's finally getting its official introduction just now. The first thing that captures my attention here is the design. It's charming because it follows that trendy glass meets metal construction. It exhibits a very premium feel that you wouldn't expect to find a smartphone priced so aggressively low. And while the phone feels slick to the touch due to the glass surface, it also dazzles in the light when you look at it at various angles. But not surprisingly, it doesn't feature water-resistant construction, but at least it's packaged with a handy fingerprint sensor and a headphone jack. On the front, it's sporting a 5.5-inch HD Plus display with that 18:9 screen aspect ratio. Now, it's more than detailed from what I can look at, but it's kind of dull with its color reproduction. In fact, when I put it at its brightest setting, the screen appears a little bit washed out, and doesn't help either that the viewing angles are a little bit weak. Then again, this is just a compromise you'd expect to find in a phone priced like this. The BLU Vivo XL3 is powered by a 1.3 GHz octa-core MediaTek 6737 processor, and it's coupled with 3 GB of RAM. Now, my quick check, it's running pretty decently with most basic functions, but I really can't expect this to handle gaming all that well. One common problem with BLU's line of smartphones is that they don't get timely software updates. But here with the BLU Vivo XL3, it's at least running Android 8.0 Oreo out of the box, and that's certainly a relief. It'll be interesting to see whether or not it's kept up down the road with those updates. Some of the other notable standouts with this phone include its 3000 mAh battery. It also has a 13 megapixel camera on the back, and also a 13 megapixel on the front with a front-facing LED flash. And that's something you typically don't see in a budget smartphone. All told, its normal MSRP price of $190 looks pretty tempting on paper, but now for a limited time, it'll be slapped with an introductory price of $110 on Amazon for a 24-hour period right now, while supplies last, of course. So if you guys want to learn more about the BLU Vivo XL3, you can check out our website, PhoneArena.com. This is John V, signing off.